来看荷兰有一个查甫人，因为出车祸瘫痪半岁未行，已经12年啊。最近接受瑞士一个实验性的疗法，伫大脑甲龙骨装电极入去，用人工智慧解读大脑的想法，佮用电子信号传互龙骨。即马已经会徛、会行，甚至会当爬楼梯。
40岁男性奥斯卡姆伫瑞士接受神经外科这项上新医疗科技协助了，经过大概40届训练，已经会当家己徛在塞辅助器慢慢啊行，练习爬楼梯。
Within 5 to 10 minutes, I could control my hips. For example, I'm training 10 years to stand up with a friend, having a beer, and that's something I think people don't realize.
奥斯卡姆几年前接受电子脉冲刺激脊髓疗法，医疗团队伫大脑和脊椎负责骹腿运动的所在，分别下电极，甲大脑信号挖过伤害部位，传送脊髓产生刺激，互伊行动更加流利。想要切条还是调速，拢会使。
So between these two, there is communication, an electrical communication, a digital bridge that is then reactivated the legs.
研究人员开几个月调整，互奥斯卡姆适应了，更加顺势。一年了，神经功能开始有连接修复的现象，就算甲电极辅助切掉，嘛会当短暂拄拐啊行路。公视新闻施惠中编译。